Hello guys, I bought a Micromax in 2C which they released yesterday and they are delivered within 1 day. So it is a open box delivery. So the delivery person has already unboxed everything. So and they have given that all the products is there or not. So all the products is there. So they have just seen whether all the products are there or not. So this is just unboxing. We are having the Inmax in 2C mobile. This Micromax mobile is there, and all the cases, all the SIM ejector pin, chargers is there, and they have given the TPU case and one screen guard. So it's that not touch mat good, but it's okay. It's a okay kind of thing for this mobile. Yeah. It's a 3 plus 32 GB. It's fine. Let's have the review after some days. Thank you friends.